Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Aspiring automation enthusiasts, are you interested in mastering UiPath for robotic process automation (RPA)? You are in the right place. In this 2024 tutorial, we will guide you throughout the fundamentals of using UiPath. Whether you are a complete beginner or looking to expand your RPA skills, this video is tailored for you. So guys, let's get started. So before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have the full information. So the first thing guys that I will highly recommend you to do, or the requirements of this video, are pretty simple. Just head up to UiPath, as you can see right here, .com, and click on the first link. After that, we have to simply accept the cookies and then click on try UiPath for free. After that, we have of course to create an account with them. So we simply have to put here our work email, but to speed it up for this video, we're simply going to continue with Google. You could either do the same thing, continue with Microsoft even, or simply just write here your email and then you just go through the normal account creation that you usually do on any website. So here I'm going to continue, and here I am on the platform. I have logged in successfully. So here, just give it a name. So there we go. Here we country. Let's choose, for example, Malaysia or something like that. Let's choose this one. They send me information about UiPath. No, I don't want. Create your cloud organization. Let's name it, for example, Titan Ltd. Let's create the organization successfully. So please wait while we set up your cloud organization. So now we simply have to wait until the dashboard is created successfully for us, and then we can start working within this dashboard and show you exactly how to use it and whether it is simple or hard to be used. So first of all, it is very easy to use it, guys, so you shouldn't be scared about it at all. So curious about what autopilot can do, let me just close that, and here as you can see, you can start using their templates in case you would like to use their templates. In case you wouldn't like to use their template, you can simply just start from scratch. So here, as you can see, there is a lot of templates that you can use for automation. For example, here, let's open each one of these and let's check them out. So there we go, and let's check these 6 popular templates that have been shown to me. So the first template that is appeared to me is basically, let me just open them all, and there we go. So the first template is this one. So let me just go throughout the simple steps. Let's go, and yeah, here we have all the templates. So let me just close everything in here. That's perfect. So here, for example, let's say that you want to make an automation within Gmail. So I'm simply going to search for Gmail, and there you go. So here we have every single Gmail automation that are basically available. Here you can even find on how many automation they have been used. So for example, this one has been used 7k times. This one has been used like 1271. So you can find here every automation and how many times it has been used in the lifetime. So for example, let's check this first one. So this one is pretty simple. Table data extraction for sales opportunities to Google Sheets. So this one does do exactly, it take data from samples.com, sales opportunities, write it to a new Google Sheets spreadsheet, and then spreadsheets it to your inbox via Gmail. So it has 3 most important devices. You have to connect to Google Drive, connect to Google Sheets, and to connect to Gmail. So for example, I would like to use this template. Now as you can see, some mandatory information has been filled out, hasn't been filled out, edit it now, so use templates and configure it later on in the workflow. So exactly now what they have asked out, or what are the most important information that has been not filled out already, these informations, which are these platforms that we have to connect to. How we can connect to them? Simply click on connect, and they will redirect you to your Google Workspace. Simply just choose the account that you want to connect with. The same thing goes for other accounts. For example, this one. There we go, your integration is loading and your connection has been made successfully. Now we have to do the same thing over and over again with all of these different accounts. So right here, let's go with this one, continue, and continue again, and here we go, your connection successfully again. So here the folder where the new spreadsheet will be saved, if left empty, spreadsheet will be created in the root folder. So let's try to add here my drive save. Here let's connect Gmail also, so we need to connect Gmail to do that real quick. There we go, continue, and now I'm going to simply select what UiPath for Gmail can access. So here we can tell, for example, read, compose, and send, permanently delete all your email from Gmail. I'm not gonna give that to that. I'm just going to give it a couple of information. Let's click now on continue, and the connection failed to create. Please close this browser tab and try again. Let's try again once more. Bad request. So why did they give us this problem is because simply I didn't give them all the necessary information that they have needed to. So here they needed me to give them a lot of things, for example, to see here, to send and delete all your email from Gmail, which is pretty much very risky. But since guys we are simply doing it for this tutorial, so we're simply gonna give them the connection, and then there we go, we have connected it successfully. Now we simply have to use this template, so keep editing. Let me just use template, and there we go, we have successfully connected into it. So now this automation is actually gonna start working within a few seconds. So we only now have to give it some data, which is the manual trigger. Here it has to be done manually. So set email address to use send email with attached forkbow. Here we have to use browsers as opportunities. So we have to install an extension that actually help us to give the sales opportunities. So let's install the extension, which is the UiPath extension for Studio Web. Now let's add the extension to our Google Chrome. It has been added successfully. So now we simply have to pin it right here, click on here, and everything is gonna be working smoothly. So here we simply have to wait, and basically the actual extension is gonna start working when we are on this page. So there we go, here we have it. So here we have a report of opportunities. So whenever we have a report of opportunities, there will be an automation that is gonna be working within our Gmail account that we have chosen, within our Google Drive, and within our Google Sheet that we have chosen in this tutorial. So now we simply have to publish it so we can test it as well. So now they are building the project built. So we simply have to go now to our Gmail account. So to that real quick, go to Gmail, and normally you will be seeing some kind of a draft here or something like that. Let's check spam as well. So there we go. All right, so now we can check the Google Drive. Let's check the Google Drive as well. As you can see, they are still managing the package, they are still making the data, they are still making everything from scratch. So yeah, here we have the extract sales opportunities file that has been just created. As you can see, everything is being created successfully. This is the account name, this is the opportunity owner, this is the stage, quantity, etc. Everything is here successfully within this Google Sheet, and now we simply have to wait until the table has been extracted, and it will be sent eventually to our Gmail accounts. And after that, we can simply, after we have made sure that everything is working, we can simply hit publish, and it will be published. So guys, this is how you can use UiPath, and see you guys in the next tutorial.